Hello everyone, this is Ida, and now I will show you the more details for our TD101 code system. And for this system, it is widely used in a restaurant. So if you want to buy it or resell our items, just feel free to email me at support@retekess.com or visit our website www.retekess.com. Any question, just feel free to email me. We will do our best. And in this video, I will show you how to change the ID of the keypad. And in last video, I will show you how to change the ID of the display. Because when we change the display or the keypad in the same one, the keypads and the display will work again. So it means that several keypads can work with the same speaker, or the several speakers can work with the same keypad. It is very convenient and used in many places, such as the foot corner, where there are many windows, or the bank, or the service center. You can set it by yourself. Okay, now I will show you how to change the ID of the keypad. First, we will pull off the adapter, and when we plug it in, we will long press this key. This is the set key. Long press. Until the display shows the 0 on the we can release the button. And now you can see this is a 0, and we need to choose the, as you know, the ID of the keypads from from 1 to 999. So it is just the 3 numbers. We just need to press the 3 key, and first we also need to press this key to confirm, and then press this number 3 and press this key again. Just choose the number we want, such as the 11, and then we can press this key to confirm. And when it shows this one, we will power it off and then plug it again. It will show the ID of the keypad. The number is 11. So we changed it successfully. And the keypads for this system is not limited. So if you just change the keypads as 11 and this one is 11 as well, the keypads and the display will work together. It is widely used in the foot corner, such as have many windows. Just put the keypads in each window, and when we press number such as 1, once we call, if the display ID is the same as the keypad, it will call, such as
1, please take the meal.
Please take the meal.
1, please take the meal. 1, please take the meal.
Yes, we have started successfully. So if you still have any questions, just feel free to email me at support@retekess.com. We will always be waiting for a message. So have a good day and see you next time. Bye.